Hi, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I've made this short video for the team over at Arnica Heating and Air Conditioning, experts of HVAC in New York City. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 things you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. If by the end of the video you like and saw what you heard, please shoot me a message and we can chat. If not, that's fine. I'll get right to it. I'll try to keep the video short and sweet. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. The content is going to be basically anything that's on the website, and specifically I'm talking today about the home page. So pictures, words, videos, any of that. So as I'm scrolling down, looks like you guys already had this website fully made out for you. It's a pretty decent website, pretty clean. I would suggest that this header section stay up because it takes like half of the entire screen. But apart from that, I wanted to say that you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page to help you outrank your competition and be picked up by the Google search engine. So keep that in mind, 1,500 or more keyword-rich targeted words on this home page. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. And I just did a quick Google search for like HVAC in New York City. This is what pops up. And just want to share with you format of how customers see Google showing results. So this top section right here, it's called the Google Guarantee. This is basically a paid service through Google. You would go through a verification process with them, and once approved, they'll let you advertise in this top section right here, which is a great place to be because the first thing customers see. And it's been giving really good, strong leads from these ads right here. Secondly, we move down to this section, which is the Google Ads section. And this is also another ad avenue, which is the traditional method of advertising in Google. And in 2020, it's pretty much a hit or miss. And it's, as you know, pay-per-click, so it could end up being a money pit if not placed properly, or if the ad is not good, or if the link is not good, all those things. And a lot of people nowadays got ad blockers, in which case they won't even see this. Companies still do these, but they do require a good ad, in which case they will give you leads. Moving down from there, we go to the map pack. This section is really important, and I think every company should want to be on this top 3 section right here. And this is where I'll explain to you what a citation is. A citation is anywhere on the web which allows you to put in your business information. Basically, that'll be your business name, phone number, and address. So those 3 things count as a citation. So the more you have, the better searchable your business basically is. And on the last thing on the search, we go down to this section, which is referred to as the organic section. You'll see like national directories like Yelp and White Pages, Yellow Pages, Expertise.com, but in between all of them, you see companies which have ranked organically and come to the first page of Google search results where you want to be at also. Third thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. A backlink is basically any website out there which is linking or giving a link rather to your website, potentially giving you traffic and keywords as well. So I use this tool here called Ahrefs. It's a really good tool. It's a paid tool, and they get their sources or their information directly from Google. They buy it from Google. So as you can see, I've put in arnicaheatingandair.com to see how your website is performing. From what I can see, you guys have 221 referring domains, giving you more than 6,000 backlinks, which give you 1,300 organic keywords, which bring you about 1,000 people to your website per month. Now to put this into context, I'll show you another top competitor in the New York City area and what their numbers look like. Here we go. So it's a pretty big difference. As you can see, they've got 826 referring domains, 4,200 backlinks. As you can see, you guys had 6,000 right here, and they've got 4,200. It's a good place where I can tell you that all backlinks are not created equally, and there's some which are certainly more stronger than others. So for example, if you guys have a backlink from like a pizza shop, it's not going to be as strong as a backlink from somebody in your own industry. So that would make a big difference. But they have 7,800 keywords, netting them at least 18,000 people coming to their website every single month. So this is definitely the direction that you want to be heading towards. Let me go back to yours. So all these numbers, boosting them is exactly what we specialize in, and it's very doable. So let me go back to your website. So I told you I'll keep this video as short as I can. That's all I had for you today. I really hope you found this video to be educational and you like what you saw. If you'd like to know more about how NYC marketers can help you grow your business online, please give me a call. I'd love to chat with you. My information is in my email signature. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given you today. And if you could please just give me some feedback on what you thought about the video and how I did, that'll be great. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.